Good morning, crew. It's your boy Busy, and I am here just to give you a quick little heads up about a question someone was asked, and it's a frequently asked question. I'm a bit under the weather, so please bear with me. The question is, will your packs all work with the S3000? And the answer to that question is yes. Even if it says 950 or S1000, which is specifically for that sampler, because the S3000 is actually a later machine and one of the latest machines, it's downward compatible, which means the S950 samples will work on an S3000, S1000 samples will work on an S3000XL, especially on the XL we're talking about here in question. On the S3000, not the XL version, you can't, as far as I know, you can't load S3000XL samples on an S3000. So it must be an XL, and the XL is pretty much compatible with all of these images here, providing you have one of my Gotex installed on your sampler. I'm going to be uploading more packs soon, guys. For those who don't know about my packs on sampleoids.com, go check them out. I'll put a link in the description. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it useful. Peace out.